Hi viewers, welcome to my channel The Math Habit. In this problem, 6 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 minus 3. Here 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 minus 3. As 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Now 50 divided by 2 give us 25, and at last 25 divided by 3 is equal to 22. But this is wrong. The reason is we are not following the PEMDAS rule of operation. According to this rule, first of all we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division with equal priority, and at last addition and subtraction with equal priority. But the important thing is we have to move from left to right. So according to this rule of operation, this problem will be solved as first of all we'll do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we have exponents, as the exponent has higher priority than addition and multiplication. So 6 plus 2 into 2 power 2, 4 multiplied by 5. Now inside the parenthesis we have one addition and one multiplication, and multiplication has the higher priority. So 6 plus 4 into 5, 20. 6 plus 20, 26 divided by 2 minus 3. Now we have one division and one subtraction left here, and we know that division has the higher priority in PEMDAS rule of operation than subtraction. So 26 divided by 2 will give us 13, and at last 13 minus 3 is 10. And this is the right answer. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel The Math Habit for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.